Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm here again, I'm here again, I'm here again. Here to just tell you all, just to wish everybody a beautiful good morning, a beautiful day, a prosperous day out there today. I like to do these videos to help to encourage everyone to, stay strong, even though time seems really hard. There's a lot of challenges that people face and it really wears them down, But I've obtained a new attitude, and I've been encouraging others to, observe an attitude, because the attitude is that you know that you're going to face challenges through life. Life is basically forms of challenges that will help you to grow and expand and to become even smarter. Because what happens is when you become a good problem solver in life, every time you solve major problems in your life, you become smarter and also stronger. So what I've adopted the attitude of is welcoming challenge. I don't try to avoid challenges. I avoid circumstances of things that I know I could see that it's a bad decision and we're going down the wrong road. But that's one thing. But if I'm involved in, let's say, even a business, or if I'm involved in a relationship or whatever it could be, and you find it very challenging for you, it's some good there, you can balance it out and see that it's good, more good that weighs out the bad in many ways, or that at the end of the whole process that the repayment is way more. So you look at that as, okay, this is just something that has a challenge attached to it. You don't get fearful of the challenge. You prepare yourself, and then you accept the fact that you need to focus on solving that problem. So, and in solving that problem, like I said, you become smarter, you become stronger. So get into the attitude of, openly accepting challenges. A lot of people kind of get fearful when it comes to things because they look at it and it looks extremely hard, or it looks extremely challenging, or even in situations they quit because it's too challenging. And a lot of times those are opportunities for us to grow and expand ourselves as individuals, and also expand our knowledge into the world as far as where we're looking to go. All right. So I just wanted to drop a few nuggets for you this morning beforehand. I'm having a blessed morning. Like I said, I'm hardly stressed out because I choose to be stress-free, and I choose this every day. Alright, so definitely today for me is just another day that is just great, and I'm just like I told you, I am open to accepting the challenges. Alright, so stay tuned, because yes, I have something that is super exciting, and I know you guys are gonna love it. I know you're gonna love it. Alright, I'm gonna provide some services for you that is gonna help you in many ways to eliminate a lot of the overhead and the fees that you pay when it comes to phone calls. Alright, so it's not an app. I have something that is super exciting, alright? And it's a new technology that is on hand, and you guys are gonna love it because it's gonna benefit you all. Alright, so I thank you all again. If you found any value from this, I'd like you to like, share, and comment below, and stay in touch. And if you are interested in knowing more about this new technology, send me a message on Facebook at Pavel A. Saunders. A lot of the information will be left at the end of this video. You guys have a blessed day, and then, like I said, just welcome challenges. Thank you.